When bamboo and light first connect, that feels like witnessing magic. When those hollow chambers suddenly glow like captured sunlight, when the fibrous texture casts intricate shadow patterns that dance across your walls. Bamboo light sculptures transform ordinary illumination into living art, blending sustainable materials with breathtaking luminosity in ways that factory-made fixtures could never replicate. These creations don't just provide light, they sculpt it, shape it, and imbue it with organic warmth that changes how we experience our spaces. The journey begins with selecting the perfect bamboo. Not all varieties interact with light equally. The thick-walled Tonkin bamboo becomes translucent when sliced thin, its pale golden hue diffusing light like rice paper. Black bamboo's dramatic coloration creates striking silhouettes when backlit, its dense fibers absorbing certain light wavelengths while reflecting others. 4 large installations. The giant mozo bamboo's impressive girth provides substantial surfaces for light to play across, each node creating natural segmentation in the luminous flow. Master artisans can identify premium light-quality bamboo by sound alone, tapping a cured stalk to hear that perfect resonant ping indicating ideal density and moisture content. Preparing bamboo for light sculptures requires specialized techniques beyond ordinary woodworking. The curing process becomes crucial. Too rapid drying causes cracking that would ruin light diffusion, while too slow risks mold growth in the hollow chambers. Traditional horizontal rack drying with periodic rotation prevents warping while preserving the stalk's natural cylindrical perfection. Some artists employ smoke curing for certain effects, the gentle smoldering of rice husks imparting a warm amber tone that enhances incandescent lighting. For electrical components, bamboo's natural hollow centers become perfect concealed channels. LED strips can snake through multiple connected stalks without visible wiring, their glow emanating through precisely drilled apertures that follow the bamboo's natural node spacing. Construction techniques blend ancient joinery with modern innovation. The Japanese Shinkitaku method creates seamless connections where light flows uninterrupted between bamboo elements. No visible hardware breaks the luminous lines. 4 adjustable installations. Brass compression fittings lined with rubber gaskets allow repositioning while preventing damage to the bamboo's delicate surface. The most ambitious sculptures might incorporate hundreds of individual bamboo pieces connected with nearly invisible cyanoacrylate adhesives specially formulated to remain crystal clear under intense lighting. Some artists create breathtaking suspended pieces using aircraft-grade titanium wire, strong enough to support significant weight while disappearing visually against ceilings. Surface treatments dramatically alter how bamboo interacts with light. Sandblasting creates a frosted effect that softens and diffuses illumination evenly, perfect for creating glowing columns. Hand-carved textures produce dramatic shadow plays, perhaps mimicking water ripples or tree bark patterns. 4 colored effects. Aniline dyes penetrate deep into the bamboo fibers without compromising translucency, allowing for gradient effects that shift from root to tip. The most daring artists might electroplate select sections with copper or silver, creating reflective interiors that bounce light in unexpected directions while protecting the bamboo's organic exterior. Light source selection becomes an art in itself. Warm white LEDs, 2700 to 3000 K, enhance bamboo's natural golden tones, creating sunset-like glows in evening hours. Cool whites, 5000 K plus, generate striking contemporary contrasts, like moonlight filtering through a bamboo forest. RGBW programmable strips allow for dynamic color changes, perhaps slowly cycling through dawn-like hues in morning hours. Fiber optic strands inserted into bamboo ends produce delicate starburst effects, while electroluminescent wire run through hollow chambers creates the illusion of bamboo glowing from within. Some installations incorporate smart lighting that responds to music or ambient noise, the bamboo becoming a visual instrument. The magic truly happens in how these sculptures shape and direct illumination. Vertical installations with spaced bamboo poles cast rhythmic shadow stripes that appear to move as viewers pass by, like sunlight through reeds. Horizontal arrangements create dappled light effects reminiscent of forest canopies. Curved elements produce undulating shadow patterns that bring walls to life after dark. Some artists construct complex layered pieces where light must pass through multiple bamboo screens, each modifying its quality through carefully calculated perforations or textured surfaces. The most innovative might incorporate kinetic elements, thin bamboo strips that tremble in air currents, creating ever-changing shadow animations. Scale transforms these sculptures from simple fixtures to environmental experiences. Tabletop pieces might use finger-width bamboo to create intimate glowing worlds, perfect as meditation aids or bedside lamps. Room-sized installations could turn entire walls into light-diffusing screens, perhaps with hundreds of bamboo slats arranged in wave patterns. Outdoor sculptures take on celestial qualities. Massive bamboo rings suspended between trees become glowing portals in night gardens. The most ambitious projects might cover architectural facades, transforming buildings into lanterns come dusk. Weather-resistant outdoor lighting presents special challenges and opportunities. Properly sealed bamboo can withstand years of exposure when treated with marine-grade UV-resistant finishes. Solar-powered units eliminate wiring hassles, their batteries often concealed within the bamboo's hollow chambers. Some artists create moon phase installations where the intensity automatically adjusts to match the real moon's brightness each night. Others design interactive garden pieces that glow brighter when approached, like clusters of giant fireflies. Maintaining bamboo light sculptures becomes a form of seasonal communion. Monthly dusting with soft brushes preserves both material and light quality. Annual treatments with citrus-based oils nourish the bamboo while maintaining protective coatings. LED components typically last for years, but when replacement becomes necessary, many designs incorporate accessible modules that don't require disassembling entire pieces. Outdoor installations might need node clearing after heavy storms, a small price for witnessing how rain transforms the bamboo's light-diffusing properties. The emotional impact of these luminous sculptures defies simple description. There's something primal in their combination of organic material and illumination, triggering deep-seated associations with campfires, dappled forests and moonlit clearings. Unlike static electric fixtures, bamboo light feels alive, its quality shifting subtly with humidity changes, its shadows never quite repeating. The best installations create environments where one doesn't just see light, but experiences it physically, as warmth on skin, as guiding glow, as ever-changing artwork. A quiet revolution is unfolding in studios and workshops around the world as contemporary artists reinvent what light can be, using nature's most perfect material as their guide. These creators aren't just making lamps, they're engineering experiences that change how we perceive illumination itself. The cutting edge of organic light. Today's most daring bamboo light artists are defying gravity with suspended installations that appear to float impossibly, their structural secrets hidden in 3D printed joints that marry space-age tech with traditional craftsmanship. Harnessing bioluminescence through plant-based coatings that absorb daylight to emit an otherworldly glow after dark, living light echoing the fireflies that once danced through bamboo forests. Creating responsive sculptures embedded with smart systems that pulse with circadian rhythms or transform at human touch, making viewers active participants in the light's behavior. Yet for all their technical sophistication, these works never lose bamboo's soul. The material's organic imperfections, the slight variations in diameter, the subtle curvature of each stalk, become essential features rather than flaws to overcome. Your hands-on journey begins. The magic of bamboo light creation isn't reserved for masters. Start your exploration with these accessible techniques. The lantern cut. Split a bamboo section lengthwise to cradle LED strips. Watch how light bleeds differently through the inner membranes versus the tough outer skin, creating mesmerizing gradients. Starry night drilling. Practice precision drilling to create constellations of pinholes. Each becomes a miniature spotlight when backlit, casting ever-changing shadow patterns as you move. Alchemy of stains. Experiment with natural dyes. Discover how indigo transforms light into deep ocean hues while turmeric produces golden halos around each node. As your skills grow, so will your material intuition. You'll learn to listen to each bamboo stalk, identifying which sections will diffuse light softly versus those perfect for sharp shadow play. The luminous future. What awaits this ancient yet innovative medium? Hyperlocal movements. From Bali's bamboo schools teaching centuries-old techniques to Berlin's avant-garde collectives creating interactive light forests, regional styles are flourishing. Closed-loop systems. Pioneers are developing completely off-grid installations where solar-charged bamboo lights self-power through integrated renewable systems. Living sculptures. The next frontier. Incorporating actual growing bamboo plants into light pieces that evolve daily as new shoots emerge and mature. More than illumination. The greatest bamboo light sculptures transform entire spaces into living canvases where morning light reveals delicate vein patterns in the bamboo's skin. Noon sun turns the sculpture into a shadow-casting sundial. Evening transforms it into a glowing centerpiece that seems to breathe with the dimming light. This is illumination that doesn't just brighten, it enchants. That reminds us electricity isn't light's only source, just its most convenient. that reconnects us to the primal wonder humans felt when they first placed fire in a bamboo tube and marveled at the glow. Your invitation to create. The bamboo light revolution needs fresh visionaries. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast ready to try your first LED bamboo nightlight, a designer experimenting with parametric bamboo structures, simply someone seeking more meaningful illumination, the materials await. The techniques are being shared. The only question is, what light will you bring into the world? As days grow shorter and artificial light dominates our lives, bamboo sculptures offer an antidote. Illumination that feels alive, that honors its natural origins, that transforms rooms into sanctuaries. They prove the most sustainable light is also the most soul-nourishing. And that sometimes to see the future clearly, we need to look back to when light first danced through bamboo groves and wonder was enough.